Hi guys, welcome to our video. This video is all about how to get your medical marijuana card in the state of Colorado, also known as your red card. So if you're in the right place, let's just get right into it. Getting your medical marijuana card might seem daunting at first, especially if you're new to the process, but it's actually really quite simple. You just need to follow 3 basic steps. The first step is to book an appointment with a state-accredited medical marijuana doctor. The reason for this is that not every doctor is approved through the state to approve you for medical marijuana usage, so you have to go to a medical marijuana clinic. The second step is to actually get evaluated by the medical marijuana doctor. You have to have one of the qualifying conditions in order for him or her to approve of you. If you don't know what the qualifying conditions are, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can see if you have one. The third and final step is to apply through the state of Colorado. Once you fill out an application online, it takes about 2 to 5 business days for them to get back to you. They email you, letting you know that you can re-log back in and print your card. And that's it. In this video, you learn the 3 basic steps on how to get your medical marijuana card, aka your red card, in the state of Colorado. We proudly serve the whole state of Colorado through in-person appointments or over-the-phone appointments. If you'd like to check us out, I'll leave a link in the description box below to schedule your appointment. If you need anything else, please give us a call or check us out at www.drnatmed.com.